Have you ever wondered what it would be like to build your very own Gundam model kit? Um, well, if you're a fan of the franchise, there's exciting news on the horizon. Um, Before diving in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button to stay updated. The Gundam universe is about to welcome a fresh face with the introduction of Mobile Suit Gundam GQ. This new series is generating quite a buzz, not just for its peculiar name, but also for its strikingly unique mobile suit design. Picture a cosmic jellyfish, and you might be close to imagining this bold new creation. Uh, Fans can now pre-order the GQX Gunpla kit through HobbyLink Japan. Similar, this model kit is part of the high grade series, promising to bring a distinctive flair to your collection. With the excitement building around the upcoming movie adaptation, enthusiasts are encouraged to secure their kits quickly before they vanish from shelves. The GQ X model stands out with its artistic and abstract style, breaking away from the traditional military look that Gundam is known for. It resembles the designs showcased in the anime previews, evoking a sense of avant-garde creativity, reminiscent of series like Gundam Reconquista. In What makes this model even more enticing is its dynamic articulation, allowing builders to pose it in various action-packed stances. The kit comes equipped with its signature axe weapon, interchangeable hands and heads, and a large backpack accessory to enhance the overall experience. Mark your calendars for January 2025, as that's when the new Gunpla kit will launch alongside the Japanese release of the Mobile Suit Gundam Goobs anime movie. Pre-orders are already available at various retailers, including international options like Big Bad Toy Store, with prices hovering around 15 mines. So why did the Gundam model kit break up with its partner? And it just couldn't handle the pressure of a relationship, you know. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.